Hello, my name is Juan Camilo Vega and I am going to do a stage 4 by myself. Question 1. Could you tell me a little about yourself? I am Juan Camilo Vega. I'm 19 years old, a student of industrial energy with good values and strengths that distinguish me from others. Question 2. Why do you want to work for this company? I see it as a way to progress in my professional career in a company. I feel that my skills could be a good fit for this job because I feel that I have the know. Question 3. What are your goals for the future? Work in a recognized company in which I like how I do my job. Question 4. What what are your greatest strengths and weaknesses? My strengths are perseverance, objectivity, responsible, committed, and my weaknesses are I focus too much on details. I have a hard time leaving a project. I have trouble saying no. Question 5. Can you tell me a little bit more about the skills you transfer? Improve performance, increase efficiency and productivity, be organized, know how to communicate clearly. Thank you.